You are the most amazing woman I've ever met in my life. You're my princess. Forget that. You're my queen. Your beauty captured me from the very first moment I saw you. And my dad said your smile is absolutely amazing. But the biggest thing, like what Rashida said, is your heart. The way you love me. The way that you love me is absolutely amazing. We could be arguing and you're telling me some serious stuff about myself. I'll be looking at you going, this is annoying me, but she's the one I need. She's actually the one I need. She's the one I need. Looking at you thinking, you can't argue me when you're looking that fine. I told you.
So, in the presence of God, Father, Son, and Holy Spirit, we have come together to witness the marriage of David and Mutiya, to pray for God's blessing on them, to share their joy, and to celebrate their love. Marriage is a gift of God in creation through which husband and wife may know the grace of God. It is given that as man and woman grow together in love and trust, they shall be united with one another in heart, body, and mind, as Christ is united with his bride, the church. So, David, do you want to take Mutiya's right hand in both of your hands? Fantastic. I, David Oneniabare Opelua Nuato. Wow, okay. Hang on. He's going to say it.
I, David Oneniabare Opelua Nwato.
Take you, Mutiya Omowumi Balogun.
Take you, Mutiya Omowumi Balogun.
To be my wife.
To be my wife.
To have and to hold.
To have and to hold.
From this day forward.
From this day forward.
For better, for worse.
For better, for worse.
For richer, for poorer.
For richer, for poorer.
In sickness and in health.
In sickness and in health.
To love and to cherish.
To love and to cherish.
Till death us do part.
Till death us do part.
According to God's holy law.
According to God's holy law.
In the presence of God.
In the presence of God.
I make this vow.
I make this vow.
Wonderful. Mutiya, if you take David's right hand in both of yours. I, Mutiya Omowumi Balogun.
I, Mutiya Omowumi Balogun.
Take you, David Oneniabare Opelua Nuato.
Take you, David Oneniabare Opelua Nuato.
Come on, baby. Come on, baby.
To be my husband.
To be my husband.
To have and to hold.
To have and to hold.
From this day forward.
From this day forward.
For better, for worse.
For better, for worse.
For richer, for poorer.
For richer, for poorer.
In sickness and in health.
In sickness and in health.
To love and to cherish.
To love and to cherish.
Till death us do part.
Till death us do part.
According to God's holy law.
According to God's holy law.
In the presence of God,
in the presence of God,
I make this
I
vow.
make this vow.
Wonderful. So, in the presence of God and before this congregation, David and Mutiya have given their consent and made their marriage vows to each other. They have declared their marriage by the joining of hands and by the giving and receiving of rings. I therefore proclaim that they are husband and wife. God has joined together, let no one put asunder. You may kiss the bride.
so busy, but he giving me life, oh. Hey, life, hey. Why you do me like Joanna? Joanna. Why you do me like Joanna? Joanna.
Plenty of our baby face, just to make sure money day. But my people can go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one payment. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build.
More likely to fall asleep in church. Come on, don't lie. Aha! It's okay, it's okay. Sometimes the sermons can be long, but God is good.
When you can see that your sister is truly happy is when she's always able to just be herself and her best self, her silly self, her fun self, her serious self around him, and he's truly made her happy.
But real talks, David, I feel like he's just been copying me from like probably the age of about 11 or 12. So boom, he went to the same secondary school I did, went to the same college I did. I went to Birmingham Uni, he went to Aston, which is in Birmingham as well. Both came back to Manchester. Then I changed career, David changed to the same career. I changed my car, David changed to the same car. Like, Dave, I got married, he got married, I'm like, Dave.
Our boys don't hammer, yeah, we no Prada. So you sitting in the corner, yeah, we Gucci and Gabbana. Our boys don't hammer, yeah, we no Prada. Oh yeah, ask your mommy.
We go to win them like that. Oh God, like I know be a belly jack. Make you know they feel like kulala. Jala mi jala. Where the money, na 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 na. Money alone. We making money rush like Indomie. Suppose that's your word, my lordy. Baby, show my Giuseppe's a naughty. Do it all.